That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Everybody!
After failing anatomy, two students decided to take matters into their own hands.
All the anatomy professors must die. Yeah, but Bocce must suffer.
They sent one of his friends to the hospital. They sent the other to the morgue. They tried to hunt him down. They failed. So they took the only thing he'd kill for. Now, somewhere, somehow, somebody's gonna pay. He's a one-man wrecking crew. The man who taught the anatomy of the hand is about to show them the way of the fist. But he also knows how to party. He parties hard. Really hard. Mahir Bocce is Mahir Bocce in Bocce 2.
It's party time! Ha ha!